ASMR. And I want to thank not one, not two, not three, but four. All four of you who subscribed since my first video. Yes, you, and you. So, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You four. No more. Hopefully there's more after this, but for this video, it's for you four and whoever else is watching. So tonight, I am just going to repeat some words that sound tingly to me. Okay, so the first word is helicopter. 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 this. So, anyways, Pinkie Pie, My Little Pony. Okay, butterfly, 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 butterfly. I love seeing cacao powder. It tastes so good. And then put some dollops, a couple dollops of that on your coffee. It's divine. So good. So whipped cream with cacao, homemade whipping cream, whipped cream in your coffee, cacao, maple whipping cream in your coffee. I'm gonna get this in your head so that you wake up and put some in your coffee in the morning. You'll be dreaming about it. So those are the words that I thought of today. I have it written down over here to the side. But there's one word that I've seen floating around. So I'm going to do that too. It's a very popular couple of words. And that is toasted coconut. 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 Nut. And that is all for tonight, folks. And I hope you have a wonderful, peaceful night to sleep. And that you are sleeping comfy, cozy, snug as a bug on a rug. Sleep cozy ASMR, where I wish everybody to have a cozy sleep, where you are sleeping cozy. I'm trying to tie it all together here. And if you are studying, hopefully it's relaxing. I always feel like I'm like melting into my skin when I listen to ASMR. It's really hard for me not to get like heavy eyelids and just weak almost. It just is amazing the calming effect it has. So I hope that I can give back some of that. And thank you so much for watching. To those 4 subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And for anybody else just watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful night and many blessings.